सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, जो देश की सर्वोच्च अदालत है, उसने ही उन्हें सचिवालय जाने पर रोक लगाई हुई थी। वो किसी फाइल को साइन नहीं कर सकते थे, उसके ऊपर भी रोक लगाई हुई थी। और उसके बाद दिल्ली की जनता ने अपना निर्णय भी दे दिया, तो उसके बाद मेरे लिए कुछ कहने के लिए रह नहीं जाता है।
ये जो जीत हुई है, इस बार चुनाव हुआ, विधानसभा चुनाव, बहुत सारे आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगाए गए। उसमें कई सारे प्रत्यारोप निजी भी थे, प्रधानमंत्री पर भी और इन सब पर भी लगाया गया। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो निर्णय आया है, जनादेश आया है, वो कितना बड़ा जनादेश है?
इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि केजरीवाल जी ने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में बहुत कुछ खराब बातें कही और यहां तक कहा कि अगर उन्हें दिल्ली का इलेक्शन जीतना है तो नया जन्म लेना पड़ेगा। इस बारे में मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि जब कभी कोई व्यक्ति किसी को छोटा समझता है, या तो वो उसे दूर से देखता है या अपने गुरूर से देखता है, और उसका जवाब जनता ने दे दिया है। धन्यवाद।
Colleague Isha joins us from the spot of all this action, both inside and outside the assembly. We are seeing constant face-offs between the Delhi LG versus the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as the BJP, the ruling party now in Delhi, and the Aam Aadmi Party. Isha, what do we expect from rest of the day in the assembly?
Right, Priya. In fact, as we speak, Right, Priya. As we speak, the former Chief Minister of Delhi in the LOP Vidhan Sabha is currently sitting on a protest alongside all her MLAs here. The total number that we have gotten is that 13 MLAs, including Atishi, have been suspended. They are currently sitting on a dharna, raising placards of B.R. Ambedkar. They are stating that the BJP operates on a very anti-Dalit, anti-Sikh mindset. But they are sitting beneath the statue of B.R. Ambedkar. Atishi also stating that that when the BJP leaders started raising slogans, there were no objections raised. But the moment that the Aam Aadmi Party MLA started asking a question, there was a problem. In fact, when we asked them a question about the CAG report, they stated that they are okay with it and it must come out. But again, there's a lot of whataboutery as well, because we kept asking them questions about the fact that Rekha Gupta has indeed called cameras inside her cabin and showed people that there are photos of B.R. Ambedkar. There's only been a reshuffling. That is what, in fact, Vijender Gupta also yesterday, in fact, I only had gone inside and he had showed us that this was a reshuffling that had taken place. No pictures had been removed. So the claim of the Aam Aadmi Party seems to be a little wobbly right now, but you can see here they are currently sitting on a massive protest. They have arrived here. This is a dharna pradarshan that they're sitting on. Back to you.
All right, so this is what has happened so far. Today was day 2 of the 3-day Delhi Assembly session. It started with the Delhi LG's address. There was a lot of ruckus. There were multiple interruptions. Aam Aadmi Party has been raising the issue of alleged insult to Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh. They are saying that their portraits that were installed have been removed. What BJP has been saying is that no such removal has taken place. They have just been repositioned. They have been put in on a different wall. They also put out pictures of that. Times Now had shown you those images of the office where all 4 pictures were on a display. But right now, Aam Aadmi Party is not letting up in their opposition to the BJP over that matter. You can see Atishi leading charge of the 13 MLAs who have been evicted, suspended for the day from the assembly. Here are the reactions that came in earlier.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की फोटो की जगह नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लगा दी है। मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। विधानसभा के मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्रियों के कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, वहां पर नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से ये पूछना चाहती हूं कि आपको लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर से बड़े हैं? मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से ये पूछना चाहती हूं, आपको इतना अहंकार हो गया है कि आपको लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की जगह ले सकते हैं?
So what happened next in the Delhi Assembly after these suspensions? Are those reports of the CAG going to be tabled or not? Stay tuned to Times Now for the latest updates.